What's up, people? Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use MT5, also known as MetaTrader 5. So let's get started. I'm gonna go on my Play Store, and on my Play Store what I'm gonna do is I will search MT5 right there, and then I'll hit search bar, and I'm gonna go with the MT5 that's gonna pop up. Be aware that there's only one MetaTrader 5 that is gonna pop up on Play Store when you search. So just hit install, and when you hit install, it's gonna be installing, so just wait for it and be patient. Right now we're installing the app, and we just wait for it to finish installing, and we start the navigation process. So right now the app has finished installing, and let's open it, and we're opening a demo account, and now we are on open a demo account. So guys, when it comes to opening a demo account, don't worry about that. Don't open the default demo account from MetaTrader 4, because I'm gonna show you how you can open a demo account using a broker, so that you can have data that is coming from a broker. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, so don't worry, but just hit open a demo account for the sake of illustration. First we need to log in our demo account. So let's go on these three lines on the where it's written quotes. You tap there, and then we're gonna go on manage accounts. So when you come on the manage account, all right, so right here you can add a demo account, you can add a real trading account. So where do you get this demo account or this real trading account? So what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to sign up with a reliable broker. So how do you find a reliable broker? Don't worry, I've already sorted that for you. There's a link in the description below that you can just use, and you're gonna be able to sign up with a reliable broker. And when you go on the website, just sign up and open a demo account and use that demo account. They'll give you credentials, and I'm gonna show you where to put them. So when they give you the credentials on the demo account, come here, hit on this plus sign. When you hit on the plus sign, come on the find broker. After you hit on the find broker, the next thing you gotta do is to search XNES. So when you search XNES, you're gonna find the last XNES that you're gonna find down here, which is XNES Technologies Limited. Just hit there. So use those credentials that you have gotten from that broker, come put them here on the login and the password. So when you do that, also choose the server. They're also gonna give you the server, and don't forget to check the save password, and then hit login. So when you log in, your account is gonna pop up right here. It's gonna pop up right here. So next thing you're gonna do is just to hit on that account. So I'm gonna hit on this demo account, but so right now it's already like we're already in this demo account, so it's not gonna do any difference. But what you're gonna do next is to go back on the quotes. So when you go back on the quotes, you're gonna find a bunch of pairs right here. So let's say you would like to trade something that is not here. So what you're gonna do, you need to add it. So how do you add? You hit on this plus sign, and you search find symbol. So I will just search Nasdaq, which is right here, ND100M. So I'll go with that one, and it's added. You can see it down here. So let's say there are a bunch of pairs that you don't want. You just want to have like maybe one or two pairs on your list. What you're gonna do is the pen sign, do there, and then hit the bin, and then when you do the bin, just mark all the pairs that you don't want, yeah, like that, and then you hit the delete, and then they are gone. So when you come back here, you see they are gone. So let's say now you would like to go on the NAS 100 chart. So what you're gonna do is just to hit the NAS 100 and then hit the chart. So right now we are on the charts right now, so you can actually see we are on the charts. And let's just also navigate this area so that we get to know how to use it. So I'll start with this cross line. So this cross line is just simply something that you can use in order to just see maybe the vertical and the horizontals at the same time, and just like that. Yeah, if you don't want it, you can uncheck it. So next thing is this indicators window. So the indicators window, you're gonna be able like to add indicators when you just hit on the F plus, which is this one, and you can actually add things. So let's add Bollinger Bands, and hit save. Let's go back here, so you can see we are having Bollinger Bands right here. They've actually been added, and you can also remove them by going on the indicator side again, and then you hit the bin, and then you delete them. They are gone. So there are a bunch of indicators down here. You can actually check. You can actually put different of them, but for me, I don't trade using them because they are just not that important to me. So right, so we have removed the Bollinger Bands. The next thing is we are going on time frames. So you can actually see time frames are just simply time intervals that we can check the candle behavior, since the candle is just simply a candle representation of price against time. So you can actually come here, click on 5 minutes, so you can actually see the candles are changing on a 4 hour, which means every candle is representing a certain time. So you can see that. We can go back on a 5 minute, and we can go as far as we can get anywhere else. So right now we are on a 5 minute, so that's it. But you can also change these things on by just tapping on the screen. You see, when you just tap on the screen, these things are gonna pop up. So we're having the time frames right here, around here, and we're also having the indicator sign right here, and we're also having the settings. So on the settings side, you can come and change colors, change things, check things. Like you just come play around things to this side and see what's gonna work out. But you can come change the colors of everything. Now you're just changing the theme to green and see how it's gonna look like. This is how it's looking like. Let us simply change the color, but let's go back and put it. Let's go back and maybe put a different price. I mean a different color, black and white. We save. We come back here. We have changed the color, but I think I'm a fan of the other color, the default color, which is this one. All right. So now we are back, and the next thing we have is the the objects panel, which is this is where we're having a square, a circle, and a triangle. So here we can actually add things like this, vertical lines, horizontal lines, and also these things, trend lines, and we can also add a number of other things that we can mention of the Fibonacci, the rectangle, the whatever. You can actually do and edit them. If you want to edit them, what you're gonna do is just to click on them, and then on this pen you can actually change their color. You can actually put them on view, and yeah, you can do a bunch of things with these things. And yeah, view, so you can actually see everything as just like that. So next I'm gonna be showing you how to enter a trade. Alright, so let's say you would like to enter a trade on this particular pair. Let's say you want to be selling or want to be buying or something else. What do? You come on this this last bar right here, and it's gonna show you the selling price and then the buying price, and right here we are having the lot sizes, which is written 0.01. So that's where we're having our lot sizes. So what you're gonna do is that you can actually change the lot sizes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as far as you can go. You can just come here, tap on these lot sizes depending on what you want, just like that. But we're gonna keep with the 0.01, since I'm sure if you guys are watching this video are just new beginners, are just beginner traders. So we're gonna put a 0.01, and then what do? We sell when the market is going down, and we buy when the market is going up. So in this case, the market is going down. What do? We sell. We hit sell. So we're gonna be asking this disclaimer, and just hit I accept, and now we can hit the sell. So you can actually see that we have hit the sell trade. This trade is actually going down. So when the trade is going down, it means you're making money. Like when you are selling and the trade is going down, which means you're making money. For example, come here and see we are making 14 cents right there, which is like a profit. So in this case, let's buy, and we are buying in a market that is going down, which is something that we're supposed to do. You see we are making a loss of 2 cents, right? Okay, now it shows profits because it is going, but we are definitely going to be making losses just because we are doing the opposite. We're not supposed to be buying in this particular space. If you'd like to know how to trade, guys, let me know. You can join our free program, or you can join our one-on-one masterclass program where you get to pay some money. But you can also check my previous videos to see how we've been able to trade the financial markets and make a lot of money. So let's move forward. So allow me, let's say you're in this particular space, you have entered a trade, and when you enter a trade, what we are supposed to put what we call a stop loss every time we enter a trade. So I've already made a bunch of videos explaining why you should put a stop loss, but I'll just make it quick. So a stop loss is like a tool that you use that will automatically take you out of the market when you are making losses. So how do you put this stop loss? So what you're going to do is just click on your order. So in this case, the sell order, just tap on it. It's going to bring SL, right? SL, and it's going to, when you hit on it, it's going to pop up right here. So you can actually see this line, it's a stop loss. So if I put this one here, it means when the market gets on this level, I'll be automatically taken out of this market with this loss. So the loss here is actually also showing up 0.112, I mean 0.12 USDT, and it also shows that it's 11 points away, or maybe like 40 points away, something like that. So you can, if you put it far away, it's gonna take you out with more money. If you put it close, less money, and this is less money. If I put it beyond this point, right, if I put it beyond down here, it means I'm gonna be taken out, but I'll be taken out in profits. And okay, just see down here, when you put it up here, it's negative. These are negatives. If you put it up here, these are positives, right? These are positives. So which means if you close right here, we're gonna be closing in profits. So let's just like put it there and see if the market decides to come back, this market is gonna be automatically closed on that stop loss. All right, so now let's move forward, and okay, let me just put it back so that it should make our illustration to make sense. So next we need to now close this buy trade. Let's see how it's going out. You can see the buying trade is making losses, so we need to close it. How do we close it? We tap on the trade and then we hit this close, the close, and then close with profit, like that. Yeah, it is finally closed, it's gone. So right now we are having one order, which is the sell order. So we need also to put what we call a take profit. So how do we put a take profit? A take profit is just simply a tool that we're going to be using, whereby if the market, let's say, it actually allows us to take our profits whenever we make more money. So let's say we put our TP, take profit, right here. It means our market automatically close if this thing continues going down and then it hits this level, and we're gonna make we're gonna make 41 cents. So let's put modify. Yeah, so if we are losing, we're gonna, you see this trade now has a take profit and then a stop loss. So in this particular space, we're having a stop loss whereby the market will automatically be closed if the market goes above and hit this line, and we're gonna be be making losses. If the market goes down and hits this level, the green one, we're gonna be making profit and the market will automatically close. So this is how the things are. Now when you come here, we're gonna be seeing how the market are moving. So this is our profits. We're making now less than a cent, and our balance, our equity, and everything. So just to make it clear, everything is gonna pop up right here. So unfortunately, I was trying to close that losing trade and ended up closing in profit. That is why we are seeing on history the Euro USD has closed in profit, which is also crazy, which is also good, but don't worry about it. But if this trade gets to go up and hit the stop loss, the market will be closed, and if it goes down, the market will be closed also in profits. So we can actually switch time frames like that and see, and If you like, guys, to also know how to analyze the market using TradingView, or maybe you'd like to learn how to use TradingView, I've already made a video about how to use TradingView. You can actually also check it. And next, let's come on this clock symbol right here. We hit there. This is simply a pending order thing. So when you click on it, what you're gonna do is that it's gonna bring you what we call pending orders. So pending orders are simply allows you to enter the market, like allows you to set an order before the market gets at that particular area. So we are having like a sell limit right here. It means if the market decides to come up here and hit this level, I'm gonna be automatically tapped into the trade. So let's put it back. This is sell limit, and every time you put a sell limit, don't forget to put a stop loss and a take profit. So let's put a stop loss. We hit that side, and then this is a stop loss, and then this is a take profit. We put it there, and then what do? We hit this arrow sign and place. All right, so now we have actually set a sell limit. It's actually put, so we can actually move it up, move it down. It's okay. And when we come here, we're gonna be seeing our market order, which is sell limit placed, which means if market comes up here, we're going to be automatically triggered into the trade. The trade is going to be automatically triggered, but right now the market has just the trade has just been placed. We're not active on the trade. So next thing, let me delete all these things, and I'll delete everything. All right, so let's say you would like to change to maybe to something else, buy limit. So what you do, just hit on this where it's written sell limit. If you hit on it, it's gonna show buy limit. So same thing, you can actually do that, or maybe you can also just hit again. It's gonna show buy stop, and you can also you can just play around with it and see how these things are. If you like to learn an in-depth of how these things work, let me know so that I can make a special video on that one. But in this one, I'm just simply showing you how to work around with these things. So if you'd like to sign up with a reliable broker, don't forget there's a link in the description below. You can actually sign up with a broker and then open a trading account, and you get a demo account. Come on this app and start trading. If you'd like to learn how to trade, you can check my previous videos and see how I was able to capitalize on the trading on the forex market and learn how we do that. If you'd like a one-on-one, let me know so that we can arrange so that we get to teach you how we do these things. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. This marks the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like this video and hit the like button. So just a quick one, I want to show you that we're able to close that trade with a negative 0.6, and now we have made a profit of negative. We're actually in a loss. That is why our balance is 99,999. So that's like the same thing. So before we go, I just want to also show you the effect of increasing lot size, how it works. So right now, instead of putting 0.01, I've put 1. So let me just also show you. Let's hit a sell. Yeah, so order has been accepted. So now let me show you how much money we are making. We are making $2. We're in a loss of 3, 4, whatever. It's because we are using a bigger lot size. So the bigger lot size you use, the more money you make, and the smaller the lot size, the less money you make. So if you want to buy a Lamborghini, use a big lot size. If you just want to buy some sweets and chocolate, use a small lot size. I don't know, guys, but anyway, I've already said mahala. Don't forget to like this video. Have a very good day. Goodbye.